Hello there, it's M Kitchen. Wanna cook with us? Hit the subscribe and bell button. Let's cook!
Today we are making dumplings. Pan-fried dumpling, steamed dumpling and dumpling soup. First prepare the dumpling filling. Finely chop a bunch of garlic chives or you can use spring onion. Finely grated 1 inch of ginger. Take 2 cloves of garlic and finely grated the garlic. For the dumpling filling, we are using 200 grams of minced pork, or you can substitute with minced chicken. Mix in the garlic chives, grated ginger and garlic, and mix it well. Add a teaspoon of dark soy sauce to give it a nice color. Season it with salt. Let's get started with the wrapping. The fun thing is you can wrap dumpling in so many different shapes. I have wrapped them in 3 different ways that is totally beginner friendly. Put the filling on the center of the wrap and apply water around the edges. Now follow my hand closely. Seal well to avoid leaking. Let's start to cook this interesting looking dumpling. Add some oil on the skillet and fry each side for about 7 minutes on covered with low heat until the dumpling nicely brown and crispy. Flip the dumpling and fry the other side for another 7 minutes. Add water to create steam to cook the dumpling. To make a steamed dumpling, let it steam over boiling water for 7 minutes. Lightly apply some oil on bowl before you place the dumpling to prevent sticking. How about a bowl of hearty dumpling soup for a rainy day? For the soup base, fry some shallots until they are nicely browned. Put in some water. Tie the knot of spring onion and put them in the soup. Let it boil, then simmer for 15 minutes. Once the soup is ready, put in the dumpling and cook for 7 minutes. Garnish with spring onion, and they are ready to be served.
Hope you enjoy the cooking. M Kitchen welcomes your feedback. Don't forget to share your comment. See you in next video.